Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. Today I want to go over this Channellock 200-piece mechanics tool set. This is a set that I see every time I go to Sam's Club for $99, and I've thought about picking this thing up many times. However, yesterday I happened to be at our warehouse building some stuff, and I didn't take a separate tool bag. I just had the tool bag that I keep in my car, kind of my go bag, and I realized that, I don't have the sockets and ratchets and stuff that I need in there. I just have a very basic set, and I had needed just a very basic 1/4 inch ratchet with a 12 millimeter socket, shallow socket on there, and I just didn't have that with me, so I couldn't do the job that I needed to do, and I had to use just a regular combination wrench, and it took me forever to where I could have got something done much quicker. So today when I happened to be at Sam's Club and saw this guy again, I was like, you know what, this would be a great set to kind of just keep in the car along with my go bag, so I have a comprehensive set of ratchets, sockets, and other pieces. And one thing that also kind of got me was the fact that this one comes with ratcheting combination wrenches, which would have been very convenient if I would have had yesterday, versus just the regular combination wrenches, again, which took me forever to build. So this right here in front of you is kind of is the set. Actually, before I do that, let me kind of go over this right here. I'm going to kind of put it up to the camera so you guys can see what's included. Here's the 1/4 inch drive, 1/2 inch drive, 3/8, and then just some of kind of the extra stuff that come with it. So you guys can kind of pause there and see, what you want from there. But basically, it comes with pretty much every, size that you're probably going to need, in one ratchet or another. And one thing that kind of both impressed me and frustrated me was this this box that it comes with. So let me kind of go over that real quick just so you guys can kind of see. It has this piece. You don't really need this to keep things in place, which is nice. One thing I realized, which was kind of cool, is a lot of times when you buy a set like this and you get it home, at least a few of the pieces are kind of out of place. This one happened to be, everything stayed exactly where it was supposed to be, which is a good thing. However, when I went to go and try to take some of the pieces out, I realized, they're really kind of stuck in there, which is both good and bad. So, it's not going to move around when you have it in a car or you're moving it from one place to the other. But sometimes when you're trying to get a socket out, it's very difficult to do with your hand. And I've actually been kind of grabbing, one of the extensions and using that to get the sockets out. So that's kind of one thing to keep in mind there. But, overall, again, not necessarily a bad thing because it keeps everything in its place. So you can kind of see here what you're getting. You get the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets, a bunch of sockets in shallow and deep. Has, in pretty much everything is 6-point, with the exception of a handful of sockets in 3/8 that come in both 6-point and 12-point, which I guess is good to have if you're dealing with, certain fasteners. Comes with, a bunch of bits, nut drivers, the ratcheting wrenches. Let me kind of grab one of these here real quick. Sounds like I think it's a 72 tooth ratcheting wrench. The only thing is, definitely does skip certain sizes, as you saw from the packaging before. For me, one size that I tend to use a lot of sets skip, which bums me out, is a 17 millimeter. But, what are you going to do? So, just want to do kind of a quick review, on this guy. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but it comes with a lifetime warranty. Honestly, it looks like all those other sets that you buy from, whether it's Craftsman or other brands like that, they usually go for somewhere around the same price. I also have the other Craftsman set that it's like 230 pieces, but comes in that much larger blow molded case, which is a little bit less convenient. But it doesn't have ratcheting wrenches, it just has regular wrenches. So that's why I kind of went with this guy. So I think this thing is going to live, in my car along with my go bag, just so I can have a comprehensive set of sockets when I need it. Because, I probably spent, a half hour to an hour yesterday building something that should have taken me 10 or 15 minutes. And, sometimes that little bit of extra time is worth spending a little bit of money just to have the right tools, with you. So tell me, what do you guys think? Have you guys used this specific set before? I don't have anything really from Channellock outside of their pliers, so this is going to be my first real experience kind of using their stuff. But again, from my handling of these things so far, they seem like they're pretty solid and they're going to last. And again, this is going to, live in my car, so it's not something that's going to be used constantly, maybe just, a few times a year. But I think definitely will be worth the $99 price tag, on those few occasions that I do have to use it. And again, tell me what your guys' experience is. Have you guys had this set before or similar things from Channellock? If you've had to use their lifetime warranty, how did you do it? Did you contact them directly, or were you able to take it somewhere? So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.